Hi CLAT aspirants, I am meeting you all after a long time but to address three most important problems that you are facing and to give you the most amazing and easiest solution that you can get to these three problems. इस वीडियो में मैं अब तक क्लैट मार्केट में हुआ सबसे बड़ा अनाउंसमेंट करने वाली हूं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस एज अ क्लिकबेट थिंग और जस्ट कि तुम इस वीडियो को देख लो. आई कैन गारंटी यू बच्चों दैट व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इन दिस वीडियो दैट यू हैव नेवर एवर एवर heard of and never in this CLAT preparation market has anything like this been introduced to any of the students. In this video, bachcho, I am going to tell you how artificial intelligence, AI, our very CLAT specific AI tool can help you to prepare most efficiently, reducing your effort and maximizing the result out of your CLAT preparation. In this video, CLAT aspirants, I am going to tell you about WLL GPT, which is Wheeler Legal's own GPT platform built entirely for CLAT and OLED students. And this, I can guarantee you, bachcho, can revolutionize this entire CLAT journey for you. So I am also very excited to start, and let me tell you what exactly is this WLL GPT. तो सबसे पहले बच्चों मैं तुम्हें बताऊं कि हमारा जो व्हीलर लीगल का जीपीटी है व्हाट इट एक्चुअली डज फॉर यू. आई वांट टू एड्रेस द थ्री की प्रॉब्लम्स दैट एनी एस्पिरेंट लाइक यू इज फेसिंग एंड एग्जैक्टली our GPT is the best solution for these three problems primarily. Of course, it is powerful enough to do a lot many more tasks for you, but these three problems are something that really need to be addressed at the first instance. First thing, bachcho, that even if you are a part of a coaching or not, if you have any particular doubts, let's say from your mock or a question that you were solving from a previous year question or any test paper that you got your hands on, there is rarely anybody who can actually sit down and solve that question of yours. So what happens बच्चों जब हम mocks वगैरह solve करते हैं तो many times we face this problem while analyzing the mocks that we don't really even understand what was the question saying. Leave apart the factor that what did we do in the question, we can't even understand what the question was about. And if you ask it to any mentor, any teacher, any colleague, any competitor of yours, you are not getting the right answers on the right time. So bachcho, what happened was that last year me and my mentors made a lot of effort to be mostly available for our students and their doubts as and when they appeared. But as the number of students increased, it became really difficult for me and my teammates as well. And then we came up with the idea that when the world is doing so awesome with artificial intelligence, why should Wheeler Legal stay behind? और तब बच्चों हमने डेवलप किया Wheeler Legal's GPT Doubt Solving Arena. और उसमें आपको बस एक काम करना है that whatever question you have, you just need to upload the screenshot of this question and you will get a detailed CLAT oriented answer just to explain you exactly what you need to understand. आई नो तुम्हारे दिमाग में आ रहा होगा कि दिस मे बी चैट जीपीटी और जेमिनाई कैन ऑल्सो डू दिस फॉर यू, बट देन व्हाई वुड बी द नीड ऑफ WLL GPT? सो दिस वुड बी समथिंग लाइक बच्चों कि अगर आपके पास एक हैचबैक कार है या एक सेडान कार है या फिर आपके पास एक मिनी एसयूवी है, आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय एग्जांपल. इफ यू टेक इट ऑन द रोड एंड यू ट्राई टू गो ऑफ रोड, देयर विल बी सम चांसेस दैट कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा बहुत तो ऑफ रोड हर गाड़ी चली जाती है. ऑफ कोर्स सस्पेंशन है, टायर्स है, थोड़ा तो ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस सब गाड़ियों के पास होता है एंड यू कैन डू सम एडवेंचर विद almost every car. But imagine bachcho that you really need to go off road and you really want to go on a terrain that is difficult, and for that you actually need an SUV, nothing less than a 4x4 SUV. अब डिफरेंस समझ में आ रहा है? Even though ChatGPT, Gemini, they are processed to make lives easier by giving answers to your prompts, but they are not meant to answer specifically questions that are related to the CLAT or the law entrance examinations. But what we have done with our GPT, bachcho, we have built it and fed it with immense amount of knowledge and prompts that are very crucial for understanding the CLAT required answers, and that is why the kind and quality of answers you will get in WLL GPT are very intrinsic and exclusive to the CLAT understanding. So यहाँ पे तुम एक example देख सकते हो बच्चों that if you are giving a prompt, this is how amazingly detailed answer you can get. And not just that, अगर तुम्हें अपना आंसर सिर्फ पढ़ के समझ नहीं आ रहा है ना, then you just need to click on the explain factor. Now, how will it actually create a difference is that explain button does not just read out what was written in the text format that you already have read. Of course, you can read on your own, right? But this explain button actually explains the things to you just like a teacher would. Many a times बच्चों वो बीच में तुमसे बेटा भी कहता है. That's how personalized it is for a student like you. So एक example तुम यहाँ पे देख सकते हो that this is how the doubt solving platform of our WLL GPT shall work.
Alright guys, welcome to WLL GPT, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use doubt solving feature on our platform. So first of all, you'll have to log in, and if you don't have an account, you'll have to sign up here. Go to chats, and when I'm here I have got three options. First option is doubt solving, second is Shiva AI, third is student roadmap. In this video I'm going to show you doubt solving. So for doubt solving, either you can click on this button or you can go to ask your doubt. If I go to ask my doubt, I'll come to this section where I can just start my conversation. Let's say I want to solve a legal reasoning question. For that, I need to just upload my screenshot, or you can upload any photo that you have taken. Solve this question for me and click on this send icon. Now, as you can see, it has solved the question and it has given explanation for all the options that is on the question, and it has explained why it is not a viable option, and it has also explained me the concept behind solving this question. An AI teacher will be activated and she will make you understand the concepts used to solve these questions.
Hello beta, don't worry, this concept is quite straightforward. Imagine section 498A of the law deals with cruelty towards a married woman. A court said that just asking your wife to do...
Now, as you can see, this AI teacher will help you to understand the concept behind the question, help you to understand why the correct answer has been selected, and if you want, you can save this by clicking on this icon. And not only this, you can also bookmark this by clicking on this icon right here. If I click here, I can just save it. Let's say doubt 1 legal reasoning. I click on save and it will be highlighted in the bookmark section, which is right here. If you click on this, either you can go to the conversation or simply you can get your answer. So this is how doubt solving feature works inside of WLL GPT.
So did you check it out? Isn't it amazing कि literally चाहे रात के 12 बजे हो या 3, सुबह के 4 बजे हो या 10, तुम कभी भी अपना कोई भी डाउट WLL GPT से पूछ सकते हो and it will give you an answer correctly. Now one more thing. We also understand that there might be chances and times when you are not very much satisfied with the answers that the AI is giving. Because however great the WLL GPT is, it is no Shiva ma'am, right? I know, it was a very not so humble brag, but I was just kidding with you guys. All I wanted to say, bachcho, that there might be some times when you're not very much satisfied with the answers and maybe you want to explore some more sides of that answer. Then you also have opportunity to raise a ticket, and in that case, bachcho, you can get your answers or your queries directly put up in front of a mentor who will be a human like me and my other teachers, who will get back to your question and then they will give you the exact answer to those questions as well. So this is how precise and fault-free we have tried to make our WLL GPT. Now moving ahead, bachcho, the second problem that you all must face coming in the upcoming days of your CLAT preparation is the timetable. I cannot even recall how many times have asked me to make a study timetable for them that suits them and only them. जब भी मैं कोई रोड मैप वीडियो लेके आती हूँ या एक वेबिनार लेके आती हूँ बच्चों, मैं सिर्फ एक ओवरऑल टाइम टेबल दे पाती हूँ. करेक्ट? नाउ आई डोंट नो हाउ मच टाइम कैन यू गिव टू योर एग्जामिनेशन, और व्हेन डू यू हैव ट्यूशंस, आप कब सो के उठते हो या फिर आपकी बैडमिंटन क्लास कब होती है. एंड इन दैट केस अ हाइपर पर्सनलाइज्ड स्टडी शेड्यूल इज ऑल दैट यू नीड. बट वो किसी भी इंसान के लिए या किसी टीचर के लिए एक एक बच्चे के लिए बनाने बैठना ऑलमोस्ट नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल होता है बच्चों. एंड इवन हम भी वो खुद के लिए नहीं बना पाते हैं बिकॉज वी आर सो कंफ्यूज्ड एट द टाइम. एंड इसीलिए बच्चों we have the WLL roadmap feature in this WLL GPT, which will not just give you the overall yearly tasks or the overall details that you need to follow to, वो आपको एक weekly task and every single day का task भी break करके देगा. Not just that बच्चों, आप जब भी अपने task को fill करोगे as done, it will also show your percentage of progress that you have done in a day, week, month and the entire 6-7 months of span. It will also give you the percentage of improvement that you have shown in the day, week and the entire month as well. And this will actually keep you motivated कि आपका कितना syllabus हो चुका है और कितना syllabus अभी बकाया है. And also बच्चों, जब आप इसको अच्छे से feed करते हो, as in अपनी सारी details बताते हो, आप कितना पढ़ सकते हो, आपके कौन से subjects हैं, सब चीजें, वो CLAT के syllabus को ध्यान रखते हुए आपके लिए complete road map prepare करता है. और अगर आप किसी भी task को miss करते हो, ये आपको daily reminders भी भेजता है that this is the task that you need to do today and you must get done with it. जस्ट इन केस आपका कोई टास्क रह जाता है या वो पेंडिंग के टैब में पहुंच जाता है तो वो आपको रिमाइंडर्स भी देगा और साथ के साथ वो आने वाले टाइम टेबल के डेज में आपके लिए उसे ऐड भी कर देगा ताकि आप उन टॉपिक्स को मिस ना करो। यू नो व्हाट बच्चों, जब मैं तुम्हें बता रही हूं ना, आई एम माई सेल्फ फीलिंग सो अमेजिंग टू टेल यू कि दैट हाउ मच हैव यू बीन एबल टू मेक इट इजी फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स टू जस्ट स्टडी एंड स्टिक टू द प्लान। इस फीचर के साथ साथ बच्चों आप अपने खुद के भी टास्क मैनुअली इसमें ऐड कर सकते हो। इट विल बी लाइक अ डेली प्लानर फॉर यू कि आपको जो भी काम करना है आप उसमें मार्क कर सकते हो, आप उसमें मेंशन कर सकते हो एंड वन बाय वन आप उनको मार्क भी कर सकते हो वंस यू गेट डन विद दोस टास्क्स। So this is the WLL roadmap plan. यहाँ आप देख सकते हो बच्चों, this is something how it will work for all of you.
Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate your daily roadmaps using WLL GPT. First of all, you'll have to log in here. If you are logged in, you'll have to click on go to chats. And from here you can see three options: doubt solving, Sheva AI and student roadmap. You can click on this icon or you can also click on this student roadmap right here. Now once you will click this for the first time, it will ask you important questions so that AI can understand your current situation and it can generate highly personalized daily study plan for you. So I'll just quickly fill up this form and then I'll show you how your roadmap will be generated. Now as you can see, I have answered all the question and it has started to analyze my profile and create a highly personalized daily study plan till next CLAT exam. And guys, you can see the roadmap has been generated because I am the last week of Feb. I get only 1 week of Feb plan. Then we have got March, then we have April, May, June, July, and for every month I get a customized daily study plan. But as you can see on your dashboard, there is no daily study plan visible because when you will click on this weekly plan, you're going to see how your study week has been arranged. Here you can see everything that you're going to learn in this week. If you want to download the PDF, you can click on this download weekly plan. You can also click on this open weekly notes and you can start taking weekly notes from here. Now, you will have to click on generate daily plan to get the plan for this entire week in a daily format. So I'll just click on generate daily plan. I'll have to wait for like a couple of minutes and this AI will start generating the daily plan based on the weekly plan that we have generated. So why we have done this? So that student can understand their week beforehand and then they can generate their daily plan. And as you can see, in day 1 I'll have to read this, in day number 2 I'll have to do all these things, in day number 3 I'll have to study all these things. But if you want to add another task or you want to take a mock that day, all you need to do is click on add custom task, and from here I can just take a simple task, mock, and I'll add it right here. If you want to delete your custom task, you can do it from here. Let's say you completed everything that day. All you need to do is mark as complete and your entire day will be marked as complete. Your weekly progress will be enabled, and as you keep completing your daily task, your weekly progress bar will keep on moving and every task that you do is being tracked in this syllabus tracker. Now let's say you take a break for let's say 10 days and you have resumed your study from March 2nd week. Now you can click on this syllabus tracker and you can see what are the things that are left for you to complete and what are the things that you have left behind. So you can always go back and you can open any weekly schedule and add a task so that you can cover the backlog. So this is how we have created the daily study plan for students. So this is how you can get your daily task and study plan inside of WLL GPT. If you want to use this feature, go to gpt.vlllegal.com, sign up and get your daily study plan.
Now, the third and the biggest problem that you all face is of guidance, and especially when it comes to dynamic subjects like current affairs and GK, and even, getting resources like the right PDFs, the syllabus, and all of those things. In that case, bachcho, we have created the third amazing feature of WLL GPT, which is actually named after me, which is Sheva AI. And through Sheva AI, my dear students, you will be able to talk to my avatar, which will be able to help you with anything and everything that you need for your CLAT preparation. If you want to talk about any problem that you are facing, if you want any kind of PDF of the syllabus, if you want the PYQs for that matter, or maybe you just want a daily quiz to practice from, you just need to type in or just dial to Sheva AI and it will be there at your discourse. And this bachcho can be available to you at any given point of time in the entire day. And for me bachcho, truly this makes education not just affordable but also accessible. मैं कितना भी कोशिश करती थी बच्चों, there was a time when I was not available for my students, maybe if I was sleeping or if I was much engaged in the classes or with my family for that matter. But with this Sheva AI feature, you can talk to me literally anytime you want. इसके अलावा बच्चों हमारा जो WLL GPT है उसमें और भी फीचर्स हैं, कुछ और फीचर्स भी इसमें ऐड होने वाले हैं. We are definitely working on them, but so far this is going to be the most amazing companion for you in your CLAT and other law entrance exams journey. And if you want to be a part of it, just dial on the given numbers जो आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो, या फिर बच्चों डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आप इसकी डिटेल्स को चेकआउट कर सकते हो. And one more thing, all the students who are going to be the students of our batches for CLAT 2027 are going to have a free access to the WLL GPT program, and this is actually going to give them an extra edge as against all the thousands of students who are preparing for CLAT this year. And with this everyone, all the best. I will see you in the upcoming videos. And at last, do not underestimate the power of WLL GPT and do make sure to check it out at the earliest possible before you miss out on it.